So I got my key fob replacement from Amazon. I think this is $24. Looks pretty good. And then it has a link to self-program it. Just the remote portion of it. So let's see. So this one is an original Acura key fob. Well, this one is generic, no logo. But yeah, it's sturdy. And you got the keys here, 3-button thing. Okay, yep, pretty close. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna take out the screw over here. Yep, and then this will open it up. Okay, get the screw out. So this will be in 2 pieces. And let me see. Yep. Okay, yep. So I'm gonna transfer the inside of this. Probably not. I don't need to transfer this one. Yeah. What I need to transfer is this, because this has the chip in it. Yep. I think the chip is here. Yep. So, yep. Basically just open this one using a precision screwdriver. Just pry it up. Yep, it's hard to pry it up with one hand. Okay, got it separated. So, okay, pried up the upper portion. And we are left with this. So there's like 2 screws in here that we need to take out. Okay, got the 2 screws out. Time to get this default key out. Oh, there's a third one, I forgot. There's another one. Okay, so I got it disassembled. So you got 3 parts here. The one on top, your key, and this one. So this one here, I need to figure out how to put it back again properly though, because everything just spring out. So you got this spring over here. Yep. Let's there should be a yeah, here's the chip here. Yep. So it looks like this, but the design looks different. Looks like it's the other way. Yeah. Yep. I don't know if this will work. So I'm gonna transfer the spring to this original key. So it has a slot of its own. Yep. Put it there. So I got the spring in. Yep. And I need this spring to fall into this hole over here. Yep. And we'll try to position it. Okay, I got it in the correct position now. So I'm gonna put back the 3 screws. Yeah, note the position of the spring there. Okay, got the 3 screws back in. I'm gonna test it. So press this one. Should lock. Yep. There we go. And we're gonna put back the key, and then we can start programming the key fob. There you go. Yep. Looks good. So this one, I'm gonna throw this away. Okay, going to try program this key fob to my car. So we're going to put the key in. I'll go do the second position. Press lock.
Let's go leg for leg. Let's go.
Oh, made a mistake. Okay, first we'll do some basic repair. I already repaired the key fob, and need to unlock it. And then my repair for today, just a simple one, is to replace the hood struts, because when I open it, I need to have a stick